Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Subreddits. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is a subreddit. Let's get started. People on Reddit join communities where they can find topics to discuss depending on their interests or niche. There are tons of communities that you can discover on Reddit. Any topic that you can think of, you will definitely find on Reddit. If you don't find a topic that you're looking for, then it is possible to create that subreddit. Subreddits are categories or communities that are dedicated to a particular topic inside Reddit. People who like to read or discuss topics, browse posts, ask questions, share their opinions, and share their experiences join niche-specific subreddits that they find interesting. Let's take a look at a subreddit. Every subreddit that you can find will allow you to join their community, unless it is set to private. There are available subreddits where you can browse and check out the topics inside their community without joining their subreddit community. You can browse any subreddit to see the discussions. You can easily differentiate a subreddit from a username by the letter R/ the Reddit name. Usernames have a letter U before a slash. So if you see r/name, that is a subreddit. In this address bar, you may also see r/ the subreddit name. In this section, you can see the info regarding this subreddit. Also, you can view the number of members inside a subreddit community, and you may also view the number of members who are online at this moment. When you place your mouse over the number of members, you can see the exact number of Redditors who are subscribed to this community, and also the number of online members. Just place your mouse over the number of the online members, and you will see the exact number of Redditors who are currently online. You can also see the date when a subreddit was created. If you want to share content, just click the Create Post button right here, and you will be redirected to the post editor page. You may notice that when you are not a member of the subreddit community, such as this subreddit, Today I Learned, you can only share a link. The post, image, video, and poll tabs are disabled. If you join a subreddit, you'll see a notification at the bottom that you are now subscribed to the community. Now let's create a post. You can see that only links are allowed to be shared in this community. If you decide to unsubscribe from a subreddit, just place your mouse over the Join button and it will change to a Leave button. So when you click this button, it will notify you that you have successfully unsubscribed from the community. On top, you can easily create a post here, the same as when we click the Create Post button. This icon will also allow you to create a link post. On the top bars, you can see the Hot tab, New tab, and Top tab. Hot posts are the default tab where you can view all the rising posts that have more votes on the post. The New tab shows the recently uploaded posts inside a subreddit. You may notice that most of these posts are posted a few minutes ago and don't have any votes yet. If a post has no votes, there will be a dot in the section. The Top tab will have options now, today, this week, this month, this year, and all time. If you take a look at the votes, you can see that a post can have as much as 100,000 of votes. This section shows a post's awards received. Clicking on the comments will take you to the post discussion, and you can sort comments from the best, top, new, controversial, old, and Q&A. These filters under the comment section are useful if the post has thousands of comments, like in this example post. Now that you know what is a subreddit, we can now proceed to the next topic, things to know before creating new subreddits. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.